Hi students, welcome to the class. In the previous class, the new chapter is differentiation. The formulas are, first of all, f of x is a function, then the differentiation is denoted by f dash of x, and the formula is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h is called the differentiation of f of x with respect to x, and it is denoted by f dash of x, or sometimes d by dx of f of x or d by dx of y. And some problems are solved in the previous class. To use the formula, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Today, some more problems were solved. Here, some more formulas are using in trigonometry. Here, sin c minus sin d. The formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Here we use these two formulas in this chapter. Okay. The derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x, and f dash of x is equal to, the formula is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So, first of all, one of the problem is find the derivative of sin x. Here the function is sin x. Okay. Solution. Given that f of x is equal to sin x, f of x plus h, here f of, to write here, f of x plus h, here to replace x by x plus h, then it is a sin of x plus h. Okay. Here to find the derivative, here the derivative is, the formula is, now f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay students, is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is sin of x plus h minus sin x by h. Here you observe that, first of all, put h is equal to 0, limits by using, put h is equal to 0, then sin of x plus 0 means sin x. Sin x minus sin x is 0, numerator is 0, denominator is also 0. So it is of the form 0 by 0, then there is an alternative. And the next model is factorization. Here there is no factors, so it is not applicable. Here there is no square root terms, so it is not applicable. So finally formula based. Here it is of the form sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to, what is the formula? Limit h tends to 0 to cos c, c means x plus h, plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 whole by h. Here 2 is constant, so write front side 2 into limit h tends to 0. Here cos of x plus x 2x plus h by 2. And what is the term remaining? Sin of plus x minus x cancel. What is the remaining term? H by 2. Okay students, here h by 2. And the denominator is h. To write the first term or second term or both terms here, here plus or minus h to write both the terms. Here into, then to write only one term, either first term or second term. Here to write the second term, because it is converted to the formula sin nx by x, but here cos nx by x there is no formula. So to write here 2 into limit h tends to 0 cos of 2x plus h by 2 limit x tends to a f of x into g of x is equal to limit x tends to a f of x into limit h tends to 0. Here it can be written as you observe that sin of 1 by 2 into h by h. Okay, students, you observe that 1 by 2 into h is equal to h by 2 here. Okay, the first one is directly substitution. Put h is equal to 0 in the expression, then cos of 2x plus 0 by 2 into, here it is of the form sin n x by x. The answer is n means 1 by 2. Here 2 cancel. Cos of 2x plus 0, 2x by 2 is equal to cos x. Finally, to prove that the derivative of sin x is cos x. So the notation is d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Here to read as d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, or the derivative of the sin x is cos x. And one more problem is find the derivative of sin 2x. Similarly, as usual in the previous problem, given that f of x equal to sin 2x, f of x plus h is equal to replace x by x plus h, then sin of 2 into x plus h. So multiplying with sin of 2x plus 2h, here 2 into x, 2x, 2 into h, 2h to write here. Okay, students, here now the formula is f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Here is equal to limit h tends to 0. What is the formula of f of x plus h here? Sin of 2x plus 2h by 2x plus 2h minus sin 2x by h. Again it is of the form sin c minus sin d. The formula is sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Here limit h tends to 0, 2 cos c means 2x plus 2h plus d means 2x by 2 into sin 2x plus 2h minus 2x by 2 whole by h. Here 2 is the constant, to write front side. Then 2 into limit h tends to 0 cos of, here 2x plus 2x 4x, 4x plus 2h by 2 into sin of, here 2x 2x cancel. Then what is the term? 2h by 2 by h to write the second term, because it is converted into the either sin x by x. Okay, here 2 into limit h tends to 0 cos of 4x plus 2h by 2. Here 2 cancelled. So limit h tends to 0 sin h by h. Here limit x tends to a, f of x into g of x is equal to limit x tends to a f of x into limit x tends to a g of x. Here the first one is directly substitution. Cos of 4x plus 2 into 0 by 2, and it is the formula sin x by x is equal to 1, 2 cos 4x by 2, here 2 into 0 0, 4x plus 0 4x, here 2 cos 2x Therefore, finally the conclusion is d by dx of sine 2x is equal to 2 cos 2x. Here in the previous problem, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. In this problem, d by dx of sin 2x is equal to 2 cos 2x. Okay. The next problem is find the derivative of cos ax. Here the function is cos ax. Now f of x plus h, that means to replace x by x plus h, then cos of a into x plus h. Here multiplying with a, then a into x, ax plus ah. Okay, now what is the formula? Now the formula is f dash of x is equal to, now f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h here? F of x plus h means cos of ax plus ah minus cos ax by 2. It is of the form cos c minus cos d. Here the formula is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, where c is equal to ax plus ah and d equal to ax. Right. Here limit h tends to 0. Cos c minus cos d means minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 whole by h. Here minus 2 is constant to right front side. Limit h tends to 0. Sin of ax plus ax 2ax plus ah by 2 into sin. Here 2 cancel the two terms, then it can be written as ah by 2. Here h is to write only one term, either first term or second term, to write the second term because it is converted into sin nx by x. Here minus 2 into limit h tends to 0, f of x into g of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x into limit h tends to 0, g of x. Here it can be written as sin of ah by 2 can be written as a by 2 into h by the remaining term is h. Here it is equal to minus 2 into, it is directly substitution. Otherwise then there is an alternative method. First of all, to write directly substitution, sin of 2ax plus a into 0 by 2, and it is the formula sin n x by x. The formula is n. After cancellation of 2, the remaining term is minus. Here a. Okay students, here it is the remaining term, sin of 2ax by 2. Here a into 0, 0 plus 2ax by 2. After cancellation of 2, minus a sin ax. Finally, the conclusion is d by dx of cos ax is equal to minus a into sin ax. Okay. The next sum is find the derivative of tan 2x. Here the solution is, let f of x is equal to tan 2x. What is f of x plus h? That means to replace x by x plus h, then tan of 2 into x plus h, that is multiplying with 2, then tan of 2x plus 2h. Here it is completed. Now the formula is f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay students, here to observe that limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h means tan of 2x plus 2h minus tan 2x. F of x means tan 2x by h. Here it is too difficult. Limit h tends to 0. Here the denominator h can be written as 1 by h. Okay students, there is no problem. Here h is in the denominator, it is also denominator. Here tan 2x plus 2h. Here you observe that in the trigonometry section, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Like it is tan, it is theta. So it can be written as the tan sin 2x plus 2h by cos 2x plus 2h minus tan 2x is also written as sin 2x by cos 2x. Okay students, here to find the LCM, here it is easily how to write the LCM. Okay, first of all, to write these two terms, sin of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus, multiply with these two terms, cos 2x plus 2h into sin 2x by the denominator is multiplying these two terms in the denominator, cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Here to find the denominator, what is the denominator? These two terms multiply. It is one of the model. And another model is to multiply these two terms minus, to multiply these two terms right here, and to multiply the denominator, write the denominator. Here you observe that, here once again I repeat you, sin 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus, multiply these two terms, and these two terms, the denominators are multiply, write in the denominator. Okay, here you can understand, observe easily, sin, it is a and it is b, sin a cos b minus cos, it is a, so it is also a, cos a minus sin b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Right, the formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here what is the formula? In the trigonometry section already you are studied, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is equal to sin of a minus b. Okay, here limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into sin of, the formula is a minus b. Here a means 2x plus 2h, b means 2x. So 2x plus 2h minus 2x by, to write the denominator as usually, there is no change. Okay students, here plus 2x minus 2x cancelled. What is the remaining term? Here limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into sin 2h by cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. A small change here, 1 write this place and sin 2h write here. Limit h tends to 0, sin 2h by h into 1 by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Okay, limit x tends to a, f of x into g of x can be written as limit x tends to a, f of x into limit h tends to 0, 1 by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Here it is of the formula sin nx by x, n. It is directly substitution, cos 2x plus 0 into cos 2x, 2 into 1 by 2x plus 0 means 2x, cos 2x into cos 2x, cos square 2x is equal to, here the formula is 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta, 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta, it is represented as 2 secant square 2x. Here 2, 1 by cos means secant square 2x. Oh, finally to write here dy by dx of tan 2x is equal to 2 secant square 2x. The next problem is find the derivative of cot x. The solution is, let f of x is equal to cot x. What is f of x plus h? Here to replace x by x plus h, then it is cot of x plus h. Here what is the formula? Now f dash of x is equal to, the formula is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h means cot of x plus h minus cot x by h. Here to observe that in the previous problem same as repeated, here to write 1 by h to the front side, and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So here cot of x plus h can be written as cos of x plus h by sin of x plus h, minus cot x is represented by cos x by sin x. Here to find the LCM, already in the previous problem you see the LCM. Here cos of x plus h into cos x minus sin of x plus h into cos of x plus h into sin x minus sin of x plus h into cos x by multiplying the two denominators right in the denominator place. Sin of x plus h into sin x. Here you observe that sin A cos B, here A means x, B means x plus h. What is the formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equal to sin of A minus B. Here A means, you observe that sin A means x, B means x plus h. So to write limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into sin of A means x minus B means x plus h. B means x plus h, minus of x plus h can be written as minus x minus h. Here x minus x is cancelled. So the remaining term is limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into sin of minus h by sin of x plus h into sin x. Here. Okay. It can be written as limit h tends to 0, sin of minus h can be written as minus 1 into h by h, and the remaining term is 1 by sin of x plus h into sin h. Here to write front side. Okay, students. Here limit x tends to a, f of x into g of x can be written as limit x tends to a, f of x into limit x tends to a, g of x. Okay, here it is of the form sin nx by x is equal to n into 1 by, it is the direct substitution method, 1 by x plus 0x sin x into sin x sin square x. 1 by sin square x means cosecant square x. Therefore, finally d by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Okay. The sum is, find the derivative of secant 3x. Here, let f of x is equal to secant 3x. f of x plus h is equal to secant of 3 into x plus h. That means to replace x by x plus h. Here, to multiply it, secant 3x plus 3h, multiplying with 3 into x, 3x, 3 into h, 3h. So, f of x and f of x plus h are here. Now, the formula is, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Here it is the formula, and it is also called as first principle. First principle, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h, and it is denoted by f dash of x. Here it is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h means secant of 3x plus 3h minus secant 3x by h. Okay, the first model is direct, here limits. Already we are discussed in the previous chapter. Limit h tends to 0. Here first model is direct substitution method. Put h is equal to 0. Here it is 0. Secant of 3x minus secant 3x 0. And the denominator is also, put h is equal to 0. It is also 0. That is 0 by 0. Then there is an alternative method. What is the next method? Factorization. Here there is no factors, so it is not applicable. Here there is no square root terms, it is not applicable. And here we observe that there are some formulas. Okay. First of all, to simplify the equation, here limit h tends to 0, the denominator h can be written as 1 by h in the front side, and secant of 3x plus 3h. Here secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Already trigonometric chapter you are studied. Okay, 1 by cos 3x plus 3h minus 1 by cos 3x. Here to find the LCM, okay, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into cos 3x minus cos of 3x plus 3h by cos of 3x plus 3h minus cos 3x. Here multiplying 1 into cos 3x minus cos 3x plus h into 1 cos 3x plus h, and the denominators are multiplying right in the denominator place, cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. Here to write limit h tends to 0, 1 by h into, here it is of the form cos c minus cos d. Here c means 3x, d means 3x plus 3h. Cos c minus cos d formula is minus 2 sin c means 3x plus d by 2 into sin c minus d. Here d means 3x plus 3h, minus d means minus 3x minus 3h by 2. Okay, by, what is the denominator? Cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. Here plus 3x minus 3x is cancelled, and the limit h tends to 0. Here minus 2 is constant to right front side. Here what is the remaining term? Sin of 3x plus 3x, 6x plus 3h by 2 into, and the remaining term is sin of minus 3h by 2, and the total denominator term is, one of the term is h and another terms are cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. Here one of the part is to convert the formula here, sin n x by x, so it is the formula, so it is separately write it here, sin of minus 3 by 2 into h, it is the numerator, and the denominator is h, and the remaining term is sin of 6x plus 3h by 2 by cos of 3x plus 3h into cos 3x. Limit x tends to a, f of x into g of x is equal to limit x tends to a, f of x into limit h tends to 0, g of x. Here the first one is formula. What is the formula? Sin nx by x. Here it is n. And it is directly substitution. Sin of 6x plus h means 0. 3 into 0, 0 by 2 by cos of 3x plus 0 into cos 3x. Here 2 2 cancelled, minus into minus plus 3 into sin 6x plus 0, 6x by 2, 3x. By the denominator is cos 3x into cos 3x. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So 3 into tan 3x into, here the denominator cos 3x is convert to the secant 3x. Finally, the derivative of secant 3x is 3 tan 3x into secant 3x. It is the one of the most important 4 marks question in the derivative session. Okay, today the class is completed. Tomorrow we will meet again.